Welcome to J. Julie's channel. Today we are going to see the answers for 12th Computer Science Unit 1 Chapter 3 Scoping. Now let's move on to the video. And now the first part. Choose the best answer. First question. Which of the following refers to the visibility of variables in one part of a program to another part of the same program? I know that you all know the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is option A, scope. Up next, second question. The process of binding a variable name with an object is called, yes, absolutely, it's option B, mapping. And third one, which of the following is used in programming languages to map the variable and object? The correct answer is option B, semicolon and equal to. And fourth question, containers for mapping names of variables to objects is called option D, namespaces. And the fifth question, which scope refers to variables defined in current function? And the correct answer is local scope. Moving on to the next question. Sixth one, the process of subdividing a computer program into separate subprograms is called option B, modular programming. And then seventh one, which of the following security technique that regulates who can use resources in a computing environment is option C, access control. And eighth question, which of the following members of a class can be handled only from within the class? The correct answer is option D, private members. Moving on to the next question, the ninth one. Which members are accessible from outside the class? The correct answer is option A, public members. And the 10th question, the last one, the members that are accessible from within the class and are also available to its subclasses is called, yes, it's correct, option B, protected members. Moving on to the next part, answer the following questions. The first one, what is a scope? The answer is in page number 21. Yes, the answer starts from the introduction part. Scope refers to the visibility of variables from that up to the same program in fourth line. And next, the second question. Why scope should be used for variable? State the reason. And the answer is scope should be used for a variable because every part of the program can access the variable. This answer is very simple to study. And those who doesn't feel satisfied for this answer can study the answer in the book. That's in the page number 21. And the book back answer for this question is in the variable scope topic, the fourth line, essentially there's address from there up to the same instant. And moving on to the next question, third one, what is mapping? And the answer is on the page number 21. Let's see the answer for this question. And the answer is the node box. It starts from the process of binding up to the object. Let's move on to the next question. And the fourth one. What do you mean by namespaces? This answer is also on the same page of 21. And the answer for this question starts from namespaces, the bold letters, from that up to assigned to them. This is the answer for this question. And the last question of this part, how Python represents the private and protected access specifiers. And the answer is given in page number 26. And the answer starts from the right side of this page, the fourth paragraph, third line. Python prescribes a convention of prefixing the name from that up to the private access specifiers. This is the answer for this question. Up next, part 3. Answer the following questions. First question. Define local scope with an example. The answer is in page number 23. The answer is given under the topic local scope. It starts from the local scope up to in the local scope. The entire topic is the answer for this question, as it is a 3 mark. And you need to write the example for this question. It is very important. Up next, the second question. Define global scope with an example. And the answer is given in page number 24. Let's see the answer. The answer is given under the topic global scope. The entire passage is the answer for this question. Moving on to the next question, third one, define enclosed scope with an example. The answer is on page number 24. Let's see the answer. The answer starts under the topic enclosed scope. All programming languages permit functions from that up to that box, output of the program, till that box, entire everything you should write to score a centum, students. And then fourth one, why access control is required? The answer for this question is given under page number 26. And the answer starts from access control is a security technique. From that up to the risk of the object till fifth line, it's given under the access control topic. And moving on to the last question of this part, fifth question. Identify the scope of the variables in the following pseudocode and write its output. Let's identify the scope of variables first. Color equal to red is the global scope, B equal to blue is the enclosed scope, and G equal to green is the local scope. And the output of the program is red, blue, green, red, blue, and red. Moving on to the next part 4. Answer the following questions. It's a 5-mark question. Let's move on to the first question. Explain the types of scopes for variable or LEGB rule with example. LEGB rule is nothing but local, enclosed, global, and built-in rule. And the answer is given on page number 22. Let's see the answer for this question. The answer starts under the topic LEGB rule. Scope also defines the order in which from that till page number 25. In page number 25, the box with the software, up to that we have to write, then only we can score full 5 marks. Moving on to the next question. Second one, write any 5 characteristics of modules. And the answer is in page number 25. The answer starts from the following are the desirable characteristics of a module, from that up to used by other modules. The entire topic is the answer for this question. And moving on to the next question and the last one, third one. Write any 5 benefits in using modular programming. The answer is in page number 26. Let's move on to the answer. And the answer is under the topic the benefits of using modular programming include all the points, all the 9 points in the topic is the answer for this question. You must write all the points. All the points are important. If you write everything, then only you can score centum, students. And some of you are asking me to post me the video on LEGB rule. I will post the video surely by this month or next month. Thank you.